Good day, everybody. All Season Adventures back at ya. Today we are 1st of February, Saturday, 2020. So yeah, as normal, we are going camping tonight, and this time back to our old trusty Beaster Truck Ranger. First, before we go camping, one thing we like to do, as you guys saw, we got these new traction boards. Came in a nice little nifty bag. Rough Country, same brand name as my lift kit that I have, but at some point these will get put to the test. Not tonight, at least I hope not, but some point I'll mess up some point, we'll test them out. But anyhow, these are going to go back inside the truck where those ones were. These ones, we're not chucking them out. They do have the damage that we got. Let me show you. You can see we got that crack there, and this one here had a little bit more damage. Got a crack all the way from there to there. I can't knock them down too bad, because when I did use them it was minus 12 and these are rated to minus 6 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it's partially my fault that they cracked maybe, so I can't really give them a big down, but they got me out of a pinch, so I'm happy with them. But anyhow, what I'd like to do is I'd like to mount them up there on the side. I think it'll look cool, and they're not going to be my primary. Well, they could be my primary set because they'll be easier to get to, but I don't like the fact that they're always hanging out in the sun. So one thing I was thinking with my crazy mind, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Will you think this is good, bad? I have no idea, but I'm thinking about spraying some clear coat all over them. Do a few coats of clear coat, then mount that there, and hopefully that's enough protection for the sun. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get spraying these. First coat, I got another question for you guys. Hold on a second. Also got these two lights I'm thinking to put as backup lights on the old Ranger. Just, I'm not sure exactly where I want to put them just yet. Debating either, I was thinking either one on each side here. Only downfall about that, I'm worried about hitting a bump and cracking them. Or then the other option about possibly trying to mount them up here. Here. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below and see if it agrees with mine or not. So anyhow, hope to hear from you guys. Cheers.
Picture friends of a broken home. Mama's crying on the telephone. Crying out 'cause the money's gone. It always seems like there's something wrong. I swear it's more than I can bear. All you greed, you get everything from everyone. You cross the line.
Of course, we got our breakfast for tomorrow. It's time to get the teddy bear and roll. Evening, everybody. As you saw, we just finished packing up the truck, so one thing left to do. It is time to go camping, my friends. We got the teddy bear. Hey, buddy. Hey, give him a teddy bear. Ready to go in the truck? Come on. Get him on now, man. Get in there. Get in your seat. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Atta boy. Hey, so as I was saying, we're going camping, and this time, sometimes the best camp spots are close to home, so this time we're not going very far. Actually, I'll let you guys know when I get there how far it was, but it's definitely less than a kilometer, so yeah, enjoy the ride.
I've just been sitting here thinking that all will just disappear. I feel like I'm tired of you. Bloody knuckles, broken picture frames, shattered childhood memories. Yes, I swear it's more than I can bear.
Okay, everybody, I did bring cheese dogs for a reason. It's time to have a late meal. There you go, give that 5-10 minutes, we'll be rocking. So as you can see, we also picked up this here bull. I'm not sure if you can see very good, but bulldog root beer. So we'll give that a shot with our cheese dogs. Bulldog root beer, pretty good. There you go. You can just hear them cheese dogs just a sizzling. So I'd say that's cooked. And if you can't see here, you got the teddy bear. He's just cuddling right there, eh, buddy? Yeah, he's just laying there, staying warm, pretty much sound asleep. So yeah, time for me to enjoy these cheese dogs. Oh yeah, cheese dog and the bulldog root beer. Good night in my mind. So I'm gonna chill out, enjoy these cheese dogs root beer, watch some tablets. So then I'll go to bed. So talk to you guys in the morning. Cheers. Morning, everybody. As you can see, I just fired up the heater. He's a little bit trembling. He was just tucked in the sleeping bag all night long. He did good. But anyhow, yeah, before we head outside, we got to find his harness. Because somehow during the night, he took his harness off on his own. He does that sometimes. So anyhow, find his harness, take him out for a walk, and then start on our breakfast. So stay tuned for that.
I will not be broken down.
Camp setup, as you can see. Got a little back awning. Here's the traction board I just strapped onto the top last night. Let me know how you like that. Oh, look at that nice machine. And one thing, I don't know if you've noticed, but yeah, I just walked the dog. There's a little bit of a plowed loop around here, so I think after we're done breakfast, it's time to do a few laps with the truck after. So let's get breakfast going, and then we'll get to that. Well, first we need our bacon. Get our coffee going while our bacon's cooking. Got our jet boil going. She's not. Hope we got enough juice. Got a few eggs. Bacon going. Tossing a few mushrooms in there. Then we got our cheese rafter. The only ingredient I feel that we forgot, got a bit too greedy last night, but if we had some sliced up cheese dogs in there, then we'd be rocking. Oh, the little fella's starting to get a little bit chilly, so we'll just stuff him in the jacket. That'll warm him up. Not dip your balls in there. And you see a little snout there? We'll get you inside the truck. Got the truck all fired up, warm him up. Oh, put our toppings back in there. Oh, of course, gotta have our cheese. Oh yeah. Almost like I knew what I was doing. Turn that off. Grab our omelet. Look at that. Then for our coffee, we are gonna try these here new to me at least, sweet and creamy French vanilla. If you've had them, let me know what you think. I'll let you know what I think soon enough. Coffee's still hot, but not bad at all. Now let's dive into this omelet. Outdoor cooking, hard to beat it, I tell ya. So as you can see, yeah, we camped out behind this old abandoned sawmill. It shut down around probably close to 10 years now, actually. But anyhow, if you guys know any other cool camp spots like this is the type of camp spots I like to hit. Old abandoned town, ghost town, stuff like that. So if you guys know any cool abandoned spots like this that would be cool for me to go camp to, let me know. Please comment down below. And if it's within like a 2-hour drive, hell, I'll go for it. So hope to hear from you guys soon. And so anyhow, time for me to clean up, pack up, and do a couple, see if you can see. Road comes around here, all the way here. At the end, got a long stretch, then it has a hairpin turn at the end and goes around there and back here. So I'm going to clean up and do a couple laps. Oh, she ain't got much traction, I'll tell you that much. For the hairpin. everybody. You can see we got the truck parked back in the spot. Just finished taking the teddy bear back from a walk. So anyhow, that pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I had a good time making it, especially the last section when I was doing my laps, and it went a little bit sideways every now and then, but four-wheel drive would have been easier, but not as fun as two-wheel drive. So anyhow, yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on other cool camp spots, as I mentioned earlier, feel free to please comment down below, or I'm actually adding my Facebook link down there, which is all season. Just search all season and hopefully you find me. So anyhow, yeah, last week too I also got two guys who gave me camp spot suggestions, so we're not running out of ideas at all, not even close to it, my friends. So anyhow, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Take care and cheers.